Hey man, say man, it's your boy Ryan, man. We back with the CLS.
My little bitch is CNA, fuck her with the scrubs on. And she got a BB up top, I like the rub on.
Finally got it back in the shop. Sitting pretty. Fixed the rear diff. Put 2 new axles in the back. Damn, dude, it's finally running. And driving, I mean, it was always running. But sure, this is like the final walk around. I'm thinking of selling it. So if y'all are interested, hit my line, dude. Custom interior. I put the head unit in there. I put the stars in the roof. Ambient lighting on all the doors, the dashboard.
That dog cage too low, too expensive. She really think I'm famous. She treat me like it's Christmas. Gotta keep a gun even though it ain't the safest. I pray they coming home soon. I know they losing patience. Nana said she trusted me. I think I can make
these aftermarket rims. It's wrapped. Carbon fiber side skirts. Rear windshield carbon thing. Rear trunk lip carbon. I fixed this, so now it's like also carbon. Yeah, 35% windshield tint, 5% tint all around. Wrap the front plate. It's got a front lip. It's not in like the best condition. You can see like right there. But when you're flying down the road, shit, no one can tell. And it still looks kind of presentable. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. 20-inch rims. This is the interior. Right. Yeah, check this out. Diamond stitching door panels, diamond stitch seats, armrest, even the dashboard's diamond stitch. Like, where else are you gonna find this? Custom steering wheel, stars on the roof. Come on, bro. Wait, let me start it up, actually. And it does have some codes and a check engine light, but hold on, hear me out. So it says like a battery thing, which is kind of common because it's been sitting for a little bit. Brake wear, I think it's like the brake pads, but they looked good when I checked them a while ago. SRS, common issue with these cars. SOS, doesn't really matter. It says visit air workshop for the air suspension, but that's because it's on coilovers and it's like a conversion kit. So the light is always gonna be there unless like you buy some adapter or something, but it's not a big deal because it's on coils. Washer fluid, who needs that? Check tire pressure or reactivate run flat indicator. So it's got aftermarket rims, so they didn't come with like the tire pressure sensors or something, so that's why the code is there. And then yeah, that's it. And the check engine light, I think it's for evap code or something, so it's a common issue too on these older cars. I'm gonna regret selling it, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, because I put so much work into this car, but I think it's time. I can't keep spending money on this car. I just gotta go to a new home, bro. And I don't even got like the tools and like mechanical knowledge to be working on it myself, so I keep spending money taking it to a shop. But yeah, it runs good. See it? Valve cover gaskets were done. So like no leaks around there. These are the coilovers. Alright. Yeah. Aftermarket headlights or the bulbs. I bought the brightest ones they got for like the high beams and the regular daytime running ones. And I think one of the fog lights doesn't work. But yeah, other than that, can't go wrong. This is the interior. I try to keep it pretty clean. And stars, you can't really see in the daytime, but I put the ambient lights too. Looks way better at night. I'll put a clip of that too.
I sun the top out. I ain't loud in this quiet ones. You gotta watch out. Talk loud, get socked out. Up in and get chalked out. When I pop in, all the bad bitches go.
And then I'll put a sound clip of the exhaust, like flying down a tunnel.
Dummy ass nigga, you ain't never point shit. You ain't no real dog, and I'm really poor bit. All right, block short, niggas poor shred. Look, bitch, I'm seeing the talk shit though. Niggas think nigga fuck with me.
All right, driving. runs good. But it is an older car, so like whoever buys it, I mean, you just gotta expect stuff to break down, dude. It's an 06. It's not a 2025, bro. And it's also got paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, which lets you downshift. Stuff of that nature. Yeah, it runs good, sounds good, looks good. What more do you want, man? Oh shit, where do I go? But yeah, that's the car. It is missing like the inner wheel well. That's an easy fix. You just gotta get like smaller rims, I think, than 20s. Then you could like get another wheel well and it won't rub. And in this one, the other rim was rubbing for some reason, so I had to put smaller rim. Now it's no longer rubbing. And it only started rubbing after I got it back from the shop when they fixed the rear diff. So I don't know if it's because they had it like sitting slanted for a few days or what went on, but yeah, this is it. But yeah, it's been fun. Cool little journey with this car. Good memories made, but all good things must come to an end. But yeah, dude, it's just not the right time for me right now to hold on to this car. Maybe later in the future I can get another car, just build it just like this, but yeah, right now I think I just gotta sell it. But so far it's been good, dude. It's been real good. Now I gotta figure out what other videos I'm gonna be posting if I do sell this, or when I do sell it, because posting is kind of fun. And yeah. Yeah, it drives smooth. It's not too loud on the inside, but if you step on it, then you'll hear it. But if you're just on cruise control, then you won't really. It doesn't really drone or anything like that. So I feel like it's running pretty good. And then sometimes this light comes up, check tire pressure, but that's because I got aftermarket rims on it, and I don't think the car is reading it properly or something. But it still runs good. It doesn't affect nothing.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass